$5 a night or £3.80 gets you a stay at this hostel in District 4 in Ho Chi Minh City. It's one of the best rated hostels on Agoda, so I'm excited to get in and check it out. So let's give you a quick tour.
So as we enter on the left, you've got a place to put your shoes so the room doesn't get too cluttered. And as we walk in, just on the right, we have the bathroom, which I'm really impressed with because hostel bathrooms can be a bit minging, so this one is really clean. And you also get some shampoo and shower gel, extra toilet paper, little bin, there we go. And if we turn to the left, we have lockers, which they give you a big padlock and key for the door behind me, so you can actually lock the door as you come out. Really handy. So as we walk into the main area, we have the hostel beds. We've got a curtain for privacy, which is always a bonus in a hostel. So this is my bed. So we have some light, a plug, some hangers. So yeah, little blanket there. The mattress is perfect. It's not too hard, it's not too soft. Air conditioning is on in the day, so that's handy to cool off if you want to get out the sun. If we just come outside, we have our own little balcony on our hostel, which is very unusual. Again, just one chair, but it's a nice view. So yeah, what more do you want from a hostel dorm really? I mean, it's absolutely perfect. The privacy of the curtains, the little plug, the light, the pillow's fine. You get a towel given to you, which you don't always get in a hostel. You normally have to bring your own towel. What a bonus this is, it's got a pool table as well. Got some board games, got some books. Again, some stools just to chill out in this room, but just outside is the balcony and the common area, so I'll go and show you what that's like. I mean, wow, how cool is this roof terrace? For $5 a night, you get all of this included. It's absolutely insane. And check out this view from the balcony. There's plenty of places to sit and socialise and relax. And like I say, you've got some wind coming through as well, which is quite nice because it's so hot here. It's like open windows, so you really do feel that breeze. What a bonus it is to have a gym. I've never seen a hostel with a gym before. So when you're traveling, you'll know how difficult it is to keep yourself in shape in terms of your workout routine and stuff, because you're always on the move. So to have a small gym, all right, it's not got everything you need, but it's got plenty of weights, it's got cardio if you want to use the bike, it's got loads of bars that you can add your weights to. Again, if you want to go running, I spotted a park just down the road, so that's quite handy. But this is absolutely insane value. $5 a night and you're getting a gym, a pool table, a lovely balcony. You even get breakfast included, which again, how are they making money? I don't understand. Right, good morning from District 4 in Ho Chi Minh City. I slept brilliantly. This hostel is incredible, I have to be honest. It's probably the best rated hostel I am going to see for a long time. Super impressed with the staff, they go above and beyond. I'll give you a quick video of the walkthrough from the entrance into reception and a little bit of a common area. They have loads of activities you can join, which they provide. There's probably about 10 different options on things to see and do in the city. So that's really helpful if you want to get stuck in and explore, because being in District 4, you are very close to all the main attractions. You're not in District 1, which is the main area, but you are really, really close. I'll put in this clip where we are on the map and show you how far we are from all of the main attractions. So you can't get much closer other than being in District 1. So breakfast was included for the price. $5 a night and you get breakfast. So I've just had that now. You get some options, so I'll show you the menu, but I just had 2 eggs on toast with a little bit of salad on the side. They also give you some fruit and you get to choose your drink as well. I mean, that alone should be the $5, but it's not. The area I'm in is known for food, to be honest. I've spoken to the guy at reception and he said this is the best district for food. So as I always do, I got out yesterday and I walked around and I just enjoyed taking in this district. It's really, really interesting. I would recommend just honestly getting on your feet and walking around. Some of the things I seen were just absolutely insane. What I'll do again is I'll put some of the videos from yesterday in front of this so you can see the vibe and the feel of the place. Super beautiful, and again, the people really friendly. constant smiles and hellos and all this sort of stuff. I found a rooftop bar by looking at Google Maps, and it jumped out because it was so highly rated. So I went there, and from the outside building you just would not think it was anything special, but when I got to the top for sunset, it is one of the best views of Ho Chi Minh City I've ever seen. It probably did help that the sun was just going down and it made it look even more beautiful, but yeah, I'll put the clip again so you can see for yourself, and I will list the name of the rooftop bar because I know people will want to go and see it. I went around loads of local little sort of, I don't suppose you can call them cafes, they have little stands where they do their drinks, so I love stopping there and just sitting by the side of the road. And like I say, it's just absolute carnage and chaos, but in like a slightly organised way here. So I love to sit with a drink and just watch all that unfold. Of course, I had to get a banh mi, which is a famous sandwich here in Ho Chi Minh City. Well, Vietnam in general, sorry. But I actually had 3 of them yesterday. I know, I sound like a pig. And also a smoothie, because for the price you're paying, I think I had 2 banh mi's and a coconut smoothie, and it cost me about £2.50. I mean, to me that's just incredible value. But again, Vietnam as a country, I think it's the cheapest country on the planet to travel, I really do. Quickly, before I forget, this park is a 2-minute walk from the hostel, so if you want some peace and quiet, this is a great place to come and get away from the craziness of Ho Chi Minh City. I also went to the Ho Chi Minh Museum, so if you'd like to brush up a bit on the history of him, it only cost 10,000, which works out about 35p. And even if you're not really that interested, the grounds itself is absolutely stunning, so I would recommend just having a walk around. So yeah, that's something to do in District 4. There's also a bridge that I was recommended I go check out, so I'll list the name of that bridge below. Yeah, it's a really cool district, you're well located. So let's move on to the rating. This is going to be my highest rating for a place I've stayed in Ho Chi Minh City. So let's just list off everything you get included, right? So when you arrive, you can store your bag. Super handy. You can't check until 2 o'clock, but let's be honest, you're there to explore. So once you can leave your bag, you can go off and explore and come back to your check-in. When you check in, I've never had a friendlier check-in process. Really, really helpful. They actually want to ask you questions and see like what you want to do here and see if they can help in any way. I felt super welcome. So then obviously they take you to your room, you get a padlock and a key. So you have a key for your front door to your dorm, then you have a key to the padlock which they provide. You don't even have to bring your own padlock. You get a towel, which most hostels don't give you a towel. You normally have to rent one. So that saves you messing around. The bed is perfect. The air conditioning is great. You have a balcony off your dorm. So again, very rarely had that. I don't think I ever have actually had it. So that's a nice little plus. So the bathroom is really clean. You get shampoo and shower gel included. You have a gym included, pool table with a common room with a massive balcony upstairs, where it's a great place to relax because the breeze comes through because the windows are open and you're higher up. There's just so much included for $5 a night. It's the best value hostel I have ever stayed in. So for that reason, I am going to rate this hostel a 9.5. That's the highest rating I think I've given. Even before starting these videos, in my head, I very rarely got to that sort of level of rating because you have to package everything into it. I mean, the value, the location, what's included in the stay, and just the feel of the area and the surroundings. It's just, oh, it's brilliant. So yeah, there we go. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe because I'm still relatively new. This is my 4th video, but I'm really enjoying it so far. So yeah, see you in the next video.